Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300, and if you need to find a wiper, motor, fuse, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, guys. We'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse, and if your wipers still do not work, we'll explain what else you need to check and how to diagnose the problem. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically these guys right here, it's a V6 engine, the 3.6 Chrysler 300, but even if you have a different one, procedure will be about the same. That's the fuse box that we'll be working on. You guys have, you can see two tabs here that you need to squish towards each other, pull up, put on the side, and you will have the fuses and the relays located right here. Now, what we will need to check, guys, which fuse. Make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important actually to test it as well. If you come right here, okay, and you look, one, okay, let me focus now, quick, 1 second. We're talking about fuse number 1, 2, 3. That third fuse, guys, right here, that third fuse, that's the one that you will need to check. That's the one for the wipers, guys. This is known as fuse number 20. It's a 30 amp fuse. 1, 2, 3. These fuses sometimes are hard to find out if they're burnt or not, so we always recommend to test them, because you may think it's a good fuse, put it back in, your wipers still do not work, and you just invest time and money to fix your problem when all we had to do is test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays, and if you need to buy replacement fuses and relays at good price, especially these, you can save quite a bit of money, so check it out. Now, if your wipers still do not work, guys, okay, we have a special video that explains why wipers do not work on Chrysler 300. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.